Vasisthasana. Starting in down dog, we're going to tip onto a side. And the stance is longer than down dog, but shorter than a plank, right? That's our side plank stance. We're going to take the knee up in front, hold on to the foot. I like to hold on over the top of the foot. You can hold on also to the big toe, or some people strap your foot if there's not enough room to straighten your leg. We take then the knee up to the sky. Then we push up through the heel. And once we're there, we're not done. We continue to push up like we're creating a splits to the sky, and the hips might come up a little bit more. And then we're there. Back to the down dog. All right, so same thing on the other side. I'll go ahead and turn this around. So then we tip onto the other side. Okay, start with the knee out in front of you. Take hold of the foot. This makes you round your back. Don't start straightening your leg at this point. It's really hard then to unround the back. Instead, take the knee up. Keep the back as straight as you can. And then push through the heel. As the leg goes more vertical now, we can actually lift and open through the thoracic spine so it feels like chest pushing forward into the pose. And that's that. Vasisthasana. All right. Thank you for playing. Continue to play as you like. See you at class.